About 10,000 years ago, our ancestors began to shift from a lifestyle of hunting and gathering to one of farming and settlement. This transition did not occur overnight or in a single location, but was a gradual process that unfolded over millennia and across continents. Known as the agricultural revolution, this epochal shift laid the groundwork for the development of human civilization. Early agriculture began with the domestication of plants and animals. Ancient people learned to sow seeds of wild plants such as wheat, barley, and lentils, eventually cultivating them into staple crops. Concurrently, the domestication of animals like sheep, goats, and cattle provided reliable sources of meat, milk, and labor. The Fertile Crescent, a region stretching from modern-day Iraq through Syria and into Egypt, is often credited as one of the primary cradles of early farming. This area's rich, alluvial soil and favorable climate conditions made it an ideal location for the first agricultural communities. With the advent of farming, people began to build permanent settlements. Villages and small towns emerged, providing a structured social setting that facilitated the development of new technologies and complex societal roles. As techniques improved, these communities began to produce surplus food, enabling population growth and the advancement of trade and cultural exchange. The agricultural revolution was not limited to the Fertile Crescent. Independent agricultural practices also emerged in other parts of the world. In China, around the Yellow River, millet and rice were cultivated. In the Americas, ancient civilizations like the Maya and Aztecs grew maize, beans, and squash. Each region developed farming methods suited to their unique environments. Over centuries, agriculture continued to evolve. Innovations such as irrigation, crop rotation, and the plow significantly increased productivity. Medieval Europe saw the introduction of the three-field system, which allowed for more efficient use of land and reduced soil exhaustion. The Columbian Exchange in the 15th and 16th centuries brought about widespread redistribution of crops and livestock. The Industrial Revolution in the late 18th and early 19th centuries marked a pivotal moment in agricultural history. Mechanization transformed farming from a labor-intensive activity to one dominated by machinery. Tractors, reapers, and threshers streamlined cultivation, harvesting, and processing, allowing for larger-scale farming operations. This period also saw advancements in plant and animal breeding, leading to improved crop varieties and livestock breeds. The 20th century ushered in the Green Revolution, a series of research, development, and technology transfer initiatives that dramatically increased agricultural production worldwide. High-yielding crop varieties, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and modern irrigation methods played crucial roles in feeding a rapidly growing global population. While the Green Revolution averted widespread famine and spurred economic growth in many parts of the world, it also led to environmental challenges such as soil degradation, water scarcity, and loss of biodiversity.